I am back. Just thought I would record a very quick intro to let you know I am back with some of my Michaels unboxing videos. I do these all the time. I get them at my local Michaels, which is in Austin, Texas. After a major holiday, a few weeks after, they put out these $4 grab boxes, and I grabbed 4 this time in the fall. So let's jump right in and see how I scored. I'm going to be unboxing 2 at a time for you. So let's go. Okay, as always, here we go. Box 1. See? Woo! Okay. Right off the bat, I see some really cute Halloween garland. Great to put around candles. Retails for $14. Looks like they gave me more than one. Here's a second one. And a third one with a little bit of a different variation. Again, $14. Oh, another one. And wow, so 5, I think, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these for $14 each. That is a good deal, and these are great. You can uncoil these and put them around anything or around candles. They work great. I'll take it. Okay, looks like we have cookie cutters in a tombstone shape. These retail for $2 each, and they sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I say they sent me, like they mailed this to me. No, they gave in this box 5, it looks like. All right. A little decor for maybe a wreath or in your yard. You stick it in, it's a stake. This looks like a little witch, and it retails for $2. Oh, this is also a stake. It just says it's a pick decoration. It is a witch's hat. It's cute, silver sequins. It retails for $8. Dream catchers. I love dream catchers. Looks like this is missing some things, had fallen off, but still has the little bells, and it's also a decoration, retailing for $6. And it looks like they, oh yeah, look. So this has feathers. So it looks like there should be feathers in each of these. And this one's missing a feather, but also retails for $6. I wonder if the feather's randomly in this box. Oh wait, hold on, I see more dream catchers. This one also missing a third feather. $6. Any more dream catchers? Oh, another dream catcher with no feathers. So we have 4 dream catchers. Those are great additions to a wreath to give to kids. This is another witch's hat, again, on a stick for a wreath or lawn decoration. The other one was, let me look, $8. I'm assuming this one is $8 as well. Oh, wow, some more of this coiled garland. I thought I had 5, but it looks like 6, 7. Does that sound right? I'll have to count it up at the end. But yeah, you could do a lot with this. It's great. And this is relatively pricey, so this is a good deal that they gave me so many. Another witch. Oh, this one's different than the other one. Is this one $2? Yep, $2 as well. This looks like a twig, a Halloween twig. Again, decor for a vase or a wreath. This retails for $4. Flickering pumpkin lumiere, which is, I cannot on-off switch. I can't turn it on, but instead of using candles, safer. This lights up your pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern. Retails $4. Oh my gosh, how appropriate. Look at my black cat. My black cat for Halloween stuff. Okay, moving right along. Here's some more of these little witch sticks. Looks like there's 2 more in here and a random purple ribbon. Each of these retail for $2, and these are little matching witches. This is Disney. Oh, here we go. A Disney safety light, and has candy. It says candy inside. Includes lanyard and a clip. So this is something they put around their neck. Kids do. They're trick-or-treating in the dark, and they light it up. Oh, wow, it flashes. Awesome. This is awesome. I'm going to have to look this up. I don't see a price on it, so I'm going to have to look it up and see how much it is. But it is Disney, so I'd imagine it's a little more on the expensive side than not. So I first looked at Michael's website and I did find the product, but it says it's archived. So I did some research and found a bunch for sale on eBay going for $8.99, so I'm going to call it $9 each. This is some adorable foam stickers and like skeleton themed. Retails for $8. Great for crafts. Look at this. This is glass and heavy. This is glass. This retails for $25. This is great for, you know, if you're having a party or people over, you know, my daughter always has friends over to our house for trick-or-treating, and this is great to fill it up with some sweet tea or something for them. In the South, they drink the sweet tea. This is cute, a little happy Halloween. It's LED, it looks like, but it doesn't look like it's working. Lights up. $6. Up, another dream catcher for $6. And I don't know what this is. This looks like it's used. This looks like it does not mean to be in here. It doesn't look, I don't even know what this is. Maybe it was a mistake. And a pink ribbon. So, or a purple ribbon. Let me add up the contents of this box and see how we did. So this box had 27 items with a retail value of $221. With a 20% off coupon, it would be $176.80 out the door. I paid $4. Yes, such a deal. Okay, here is another box we will open. Okay, right off the bat, I see the Color in Party Platter. Got this in another box. This retails for $8. Here's the little gemstones and the googly eyes. This is a great activity for kids. $8. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, how cute. A little lion kids costume set. It looks like a headband and little gloves maybe. Yeah, gloves with a little hand. So adorable. Retails for $10. Sadly, my kids are long grown up, but maybe I can give those away. This is a fedora, a red one. Retails for $20. I think I might keep this because we're always looking for some costumes, and this is great. Or maybe I'll donate this to the theater. The theater department at my school is brand new, and so they are looking for donations. So this is where this is going, $20. Little costumes. Look at this. These are tutus. $10 for ages 3 to 8. How adorable. Looks like they sent me more than one. 1, 2, 3. 3 tutus. So cute. More little costumes. A kid's dinosaur costume set. This one looks like it's, I don't know if this is broken. I can't tell. Again, it's little gloves for their hands, and it looks like a headband. So, oh, I see. It's supposed to be like that. So you put the headband on and then the scales go back like they would on a dinosaur. It's not, the price tag fell off. It's $10, I'm sure, just like the other one. $10 for this. Oh, here's another one. Same situation, and it is also $10. So adorable. We got some foam shapes. Retails for $8. Witches hats. This is an inflatable wig. Retails for $5. I got a few of these in another box, and it's just funny. Oh, Dia de los Muertos. I received a bunch of these in different boxes. This retails for $12. This is the Day of the Dead holiday, which is November 1st. I love this stuff. So this is adorable. Treat bags. I got these in another box. $5 for 12 hand treat bags. If you're having a party. What is this? Oh, cute. Gel cling scene for decorating your window at the holiday time. 2 placings. Retails for $4. More treat bags. $5. Another inflatable wig. $5. Ooh, these really cool glass stirring rods, which retail for $6, and you could use these at a party, especially if you do the dry ice punch. That looks really cool. More of this garland, $14 for this coiled garland. More dream catchers, oh my word. More. All these dream catchers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dream catchers, $6 each. I've gotten these in every box. I have so many dream catchers, I probably will never forget a dream again. So $6, super cute. Oh, I love this. This is adorable. Fortunes told here. This is heavy. Some great decor for a table at Halloween time. $18. So these are, this is adorable. I will definitely keep this. This is for a craft, a wreath or a vase. Retails for $5. And this fabric, it's different. This also, this is broken, but I got this in another box. It came on a stick and I remember it was $6 and I thought that was ridiculous. But this is also decor, but this you could even just glue at the bottom of a wreath. You can still use this. Okay, $2 cookie cutter that I missed. Again, another glass syringe that is broken. Can't really do anything with this. I'm going to toss it out. $6. Last but not least, here are 2 more of these Disney safety lights. These are lanyards kids wear, and they flash and just alerts people that they're trick-or-treating, especially at night. These are great. They're Disney, and they retail for $8.99, and I got 2 of them. So let's add up this box and see how we did. This box had 28 items with a retail value of $231. With a coupon, you'd spend $184.40. I paid $4. Again, such a great deal. So let's recap. These first 2 boxes had 55 items with a total retail value of over $450. With a 20% off, it'd be $361. Still, I paid $8. That's 98% off. This is such a good deal. Whether you're a crafter, you want to donate, you want to buy gifts, you want to try to sell some stuff, it is a good deal all around, and I highly recommend you grab these when you see them. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching, and thank you so much if you subscribe to my channel. I also have a website where I make printables at Print-A-Party.com. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.